Okay, let's get the fire started. I'm using the log cabin technique to get a pretty big fire started quickly. First, we place some large logs like you're building a log cabin, but make sure to leave some space in the middle for the airflow and kindling. Once you've got that set up, add some kindling and light it up. After the fire's going strong, spread the coals inside the pit to make sure the heat is distributed evenly. Then place the grill on top. The next step is to spatchcock this medium-sized chicken, which is around 3 pounds. After identifying the backbone, we're gonna use kitchen shears to cut it out. Start by cutting on one side of the backbone, keeping the scissors right along the bone. After cutting one side, do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna make some cuts all over. This will allow the marinade to penetrate into the chicken. To prepare the marinade, first zest a couple of lemons. Then halve them and squeeze out the juice using a manual juicer. Put the juice into a small bowl and add the zest. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 tablespoon of hot pepper flakes, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix everything together until well combined. After covering the chicken with a thick layer of marinade, ensuring it's fully coated, we move on to the exciting step. I'm gonna carefully place the chicken skin side down on the hot grill where it sizzles and immediately starts to cook. We'll patiently grill it until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. After about 10 minutes, we'll flip the chicken. Just look, the bird's on fire, and those flames are starting to cook the chicken right on the other side. We'll keep a close eye on the temperature, waiting for it to hit that perfect 165 degrees Fahrenheit mark. Our goal is to create a dish that's both visually appealing and incredibly flavorful. Okay, next step, we're gonna slice a lemon in half and arrange it around the bird, letting it grill up right alongside. We'll continue flipping the chicken until it's cooked to perfection internally. Once it's ready, we'll take it off the grill and place it on a cutting board. Squeeze the grilled lemon on top and put some chopped parsley. Alright, this is my version of making this easy and simple grilled chicken over the fire. Its skin is beautifully charred and crispy from the flames.